How to create a vault in Revolut. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will need to open up the Revolut app and sign in. Next, you will go to Pockets. You want to tap on the section where your vaults or pockets live. They are now called Pockets. And then you will create a new vault by clicking on the plus sign and then choosing Add New. You can customize your vault. You have to name it, choose something like trip to Japan or new iPhone. You will set a goal. You want to decide how much you want to save. You will pick your currency. Just make sure you choose your preferred currency. And you can also add emojis if you want to make it personal. Add money. To add money, you can do manual transfers. You can add money whenever you like. You can also do recurring payments. You can set up regular contributions and roundups. You can save your spare change from daily purchases. Watch your savings grow and adjust your plan as needed. You can track your process by going to the Pockets or Vaults section. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.